Really bar
by FIGI.
Really bar
by FIGI.
A group of duo scenes for Amity girls. This is Laila, Tarek, and there are my colleagues Farah Essam, Reem, Hatem, and Jailan, Raafat. This is our embedded systems project. We simulated the beverages machine used in all restaurants, cafes, and diners to deliver drinks easily by just one click. By using 3 water pumps, the water pumps serve our 3 different drinks, which are our 3 different outputs. The 3 pumps pump from 3 different bottles or any container containing the liquid we need to serve. The liquid is connected to the part connected to the cup. All we need to do is to give our input part of the pump a liquid source and connect the Arduino to a power source such as a laptop, turn on our switch and receive the liquid in our serving cup.
Farah Essam. I'll be explaining the code. In our ISP code, we initialized 6 variables. 3 of them are our buttons, which are our 3 inputs, and 3 of them are the buttons, which are our 3 outputs. On a button click, the circuit is closed. As a result, a high signal is read. We digitally read this high signal, and whenever this high signal is read from our input button, we digitally write the high signal that is used to switch on the pumps. This is all executed in a while loop that runs forever. In every loop, the state of the 3 buttons are read, and whenever a high signal is read, a high signal is written.
This is Reem, Hatem. As for the components, we used 3 simple water pumps to translate water from the input to the output. We also used a 4 relay module and an adapter that takes the normal 220 volts and transform them to the 12 volts needed for the pumps to work. An Arduino Uno that has the ISP Arduino code on it. We also used 3 switches to turn the pumps on and off. And of course we used our breadboard and tens of wires to get our circuit to perform correctly.
This is Jailan Raafat and I'll be explaining our circuit. So our circuit goes as follows. We use our Arduino Uno board to supply us with 5 volts. We use the Arduino port numbers 4, 3, and 2 to be our input ports, which we assigned as inputs in our code. These input ports are connected to the 3 buttons, 4, 3, and 2 respectively. We then assign the ports 12, 9, and 8 to be our output ports, which we also assigned using our Arduino code. These pins are connected to the relay. The relay has 3 pins, each states which relay we are using. The switch consists of 3 pins. The pin in the middle is used as the input pin. The last pin is the pin used by the ground, and the first pin is the one supplied the 5 volts to. Using a 12 volt, the voltage supplied by the Arduino is only 5, so an adapter and relay were needed. The adapter is connected to the AC socket, and the relay is the intermediate between the Arduino and the adapter. The adapter is used to supply the 12 volts to the pump.
Now we start simulating the project. First of all, we connected the Arduino to our laptop to supply the power, and then we'll switch on our first switch.
Now we will start with our first pump, transferring the liquid from this cup to the output cup. Now we will use the second pump.
This is the third pump.